This is Delaney. It's dark. Whoops. With the baby doll basket. And this is what she does with it. She gets in the baby doll basket and pretends that she's the baby. Are you silly? You don't fit there. Delaney. Hi, baby. Hi. Are you going to go night-night? Sure. Okay. Look at me. Where are you going? In the basket? This is what she's been doing with the baby doll toys. Earlier she had the baby's pacifier in her mouth, and she never had a pacifier as a kid, as a baby. So, night-night.